I'm going to start today's session. Okay, can you hear my voice clearly, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
So today's video also, please keep the recording.
Hmm?
Or the keep the recording
Actually,
on.
I'm not recording any session.
Okay, okay.
Okay, today no need to record. I think today is not about candlestick analysis. Today is about to predict the next candle. Okay, Shankar Maharana.
Right, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, Shankar Maharana.
Right, sir.
Analyze the market first, and I will give you some tips here. Okay, always if you want to predict the next candle, always see the type of candlestick. Okay, always see the type of candlestick. Always see the support and resistance levels and the buyers and sellers entry points too. Always see the buyers and sellers entry points. Okay, everything, not only the candlestick. Okay, you need to know the type of candlestick. Okay, and the previous candlestick too. And the third one is trend, and the fourth one is buyers and sellers area, strong buyers and sellers area, and fifth one is buyers and sellers entry points, and the sixth one is rejection, and the seventh one is pattern also. Pattern also will help you to predict the next candle. Okay, you need to observe everything. And the seventh one is SNR level, and the trend lines also. You can use trend lines also to predict the next candle. So you need to observe everything to predict the next candle. If you know how to predict the next candle on offline market, you can easily predict the next candle on live market, because on live market you can have some more clues. On live candle you can find some rejections and some sellers and buyers entry too in live market. Okay, mute your mics. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can find some sellers entry and buyers entry on live market. If you know how to predict the next candle on offline market, you can predict the next candle on live market. It's very easy to predict because you can get some rejections. You can get some clues like rejections and buyers entry and sellers entry on live market. Okay, Maharana, are you there?
Yes, sir. Sir, in
Shankar.
this point, sir,
Okay,
in
did you practice everything?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have you
Today,
practiced everything?
very bad. Today is very bad experience. I did everything wrong.
Why? Why? What happened?
No trend was working.
No
Sir,
trend.
no formula was working. Sir, small doubt, sir.
Which formula did not work for you?
Sometimes I'm using in this market. I'm using a trend line,
Okay.
Fibonacci. So by
Fibonacci.
only using trend line, can we trade means in this as for this in the computer screen? We can
Okay.
use trend line also, no, sir.
You can use trend line also. You can see, you can draw here trend line to predict the next level, right? First level, second level, third level, fourth level, right? Again, you can see the next levels, right?
So, sometimes I'm changing the trend line from time to time, but
Okay, you can
only
change. You can change
only
time to time. It's not a problem.
trend line is very easy for me, sir. SNR sometimes I'm getting confused.
Okay,
Mm,
you can use horizontal lines. Okay, in ranging market, you can use trend lines in trendy market. Okay.
yes, sir. Sir, this one is trendy. Or
Okay, you can't use trend lines in ranging market. You can see this is a
yes,
ranging market. You can't use trend lines. It doesn't work. Okay, you can't use horizontal lines on trendy market. It doesn't work. Okay, because of sellers and buyers entry points, it may reverse, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Practice well. Practice with always predict the next candle with possibilities. If you predict the next candle with possibilities, it will be winning trade for you. No need to worry
Okay.
about this. Okay, you can see there are. Okay, I will explain here one thing. Okay, you can see here some strong buyer's entry, again buyer's entry, very small seller's entry, here also very small seller's entry. Again this candle is a very strong candle with buying pressure. The trend is uptrend, right? And there is a level 2 here at this level. Okay, the candle closed at the level, but the candle has very strong buying pressure below, and this is a strong candle. Okay, can you guess what will be the next candle? Okay, there is a level here. You can see there is a level. The candle closed at the level. Okay, can you guess the next candle and tell me the reasons? Shankar? Shankar, are
Next
you there?
candle. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Next candle will be that bearish candle because it's
How can you say?
come to that level point means SNR level. Sir.
Okay.
It will reject.
Mm-hmm.
Strong candle is there, sir. I think
Okay,
it will.
I will draw a line for you. Okay, don't worry. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now tell me.
It is strong candle, sir. Next candle will be that bullish candle.
Police, how can you say?
The buying pressure is there, plus upper rejection is not there.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, buying pressure. Okay,
Buying
upper
pressure is there,
rejection is not there. Okay,
and
next.
minor uptrend.
Okay, uptrend. Okay, and
And rejection from that buyers from strong buying pressure is there.
here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, already mentioned buying pressure.
This much.
Okay, only 3 reasons.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no upper rejection, buying pressure, and the uptrend. The fourth one is strong candle. Okay,
Yes,
you
sir.
have 4 reasons. Okay,
Yes, sir.
next candle will be a bullish candle. You guess, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Alpesh Chakrapani, Chakrani. Alpesh, are you there? Yes, Alpesh. Can you guess what will be the next candle? Come on. Are you there, Alpesh? Yes. Come on, Alpesh. What's your problem, Alpesh? You have to speak. Then you can predict the next candle. You can't predict the next candle if you are silent. Okay, Colin's dreams. Colin's dreams are there. Damian, yes, Colin's.
Hello? Hello.
Yes. Can you guess what will be the next candle here? And tell me the reasons.
Be a green candle.
Yes.
Buyer pressure and
Okay.
minor option.
Okay, uptrend. Buyer's pressure. Next.
Post selling pressure.
What?
Post selling pressure on the week.
Okay. Okay. What will be the next candle? Green or red?
Green.
Huh? What?
Green. Green.
I didn't get you clearly.
Green. Green
I did not
candle.
get
Green
you.
candle. Same value.
Okay, okay. Okay, good. Okay, Damian.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
I will say
Hmm.
green candle.
Okay.
There was the recent buyer entries here,
Okay.
and we still have a little bit to go before hitting the next buyer's entry. And
Okay.
for now, the minor trend for now is just small bullish uptrend, small uptrend,
Okay.
and this buying pressure
Okay.
and the huge green candle. So that's my reason.
Okay. There are some gap, right?
Yes.
This is first entry point. Okay. This is second entry point, and this may be a third entry point, and this is a level. If you draw a horizontal level, the level is here, right?
Yes.
And there are some levers here. You can see there is a level here. The candle closed at the level. Okay. What will be the next candle?
Is it
Hmm?
me?
Yes.
Oh, I will say green. I will
Green.
go with yes, bullish candle.
Bullish candle. Okay. Good. Harkrish.
Yes.
No need to fear because I'm just testing your knowledge. Okay, if you open up your mouth, you can.
Hello,
Yes, who this?
sir. I'm
Yes.
Hari Krish.
Yes, Harikrish.
So the next candle is the major and minor is uptrend, sir,
Okay,
and also buyer rejection from this.
you can draw here. No problem.
1 minute, sir. The buyer's pressure, sir,
Yes,
and also sellers made a new high. This is
yes,
a SNR, but
yes.
sellers buyers made a new high, and sellers and
Seller centered.
sellers centers in this area.
This is a
And
double
also-
top pattern.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
and
double
also
pattern. Hmm.
yes, sir, and also this is strong candle.
Okay,
I'm going with more possibilities. I think this next candle is green.
okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good prediction.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Jiva. This one. Okay. Okay, yes. There is like this, right? Right? Okay, good. Okay. Muhammad Abdul Munayem.
Sir, maybe I think first reason is
Okay.
buyer pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Previous candle is some buyer shows,
Okay.
and it's maybe bullish candle.
Bullish candle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because of buyer's pressure, right?
Yes, sir. And strong resistance is more up.
Here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Or
Yeah,
some gap shows. That is why it is maybe green candle.
Okay, good prediction. Okay, Poco phone. Yes. Sandeep. Sandeep Kumar, are there? Sandeep Kumar. Okay, Sandeep Billa.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, according to the market, as we can see the major and minor uptrend, and the last bullish candle got the buying pressure from below, right? And so
Yes.
it's a strong candle. So next will be definitely will be a bullish candle because of buying pressure, and the trend is uptrend. And one more thing is I think going to apply here.
Yes.
as we can see, this current candle has broken the level. There is a SNR and it's broke the level, I think.
This one.
Yeah. So
Okay.
definitely there are more chances to go with the buyers.
Okay. Okay, good prediction. Okay, Gautam.
Brother, hello.
Yes, Sandeep.
Brother, I'm Sandeep Kumar.
Okay, yes.
Brother, my prediction is it will touch this line and sellers will enter. After that, it will form any spinning top or any doji like candlesticks. Maybe
Okay,
green
no
or red.
problem. Maybe green or red. You don't know, right?
No. There will be a seller's entry.
Sellers will enter.
Sellers will enter near this level. Maybe one
Okay.
candle green.
It may close like this or green candle.
No. Maybe spinning top or any red candle.
Green spinning top.
No. Maybe any color. It will form spinning top, any doji.
No, I'm not asking about the type of candle. I'm just asking next candle will be green or red. That's it. It may form like this or like this. It's not a problem.
Maybe tiny red. Small green candle, sorry.
Small green candle. Like
Yes.
this?
Hmm.
Okay, next candle will be green, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Gautam? Gautam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Gautam.
Sir, I think according to the market is not in a very much trendy.
Okay.
It's a kind of ranging market, and even what I believe this trend is not also very strong enough.
Okay.
And here I can see a seller's entry from this level. Sorry, my line is not correct.
Okay, no problem.
So it might be the case that and it just touch this. It was not able to cross this level. So it might be the case that the candle will come down and it will be a red candle.
It will be a red candle.
Yeah, according to the market, which I'm saying, telling.
Okay, no problem. Good. Good prediction. Okay, Swami. Swami, are there? Yes. Uday Kumar?
I go with major members.
Okay.
It will be green.
It will be green.
It will be green.
How can you say?
Yeah, all of them say that. I want to say, all of them said the more reasons.
Okay.
I have no other reasons.
If you want to trade alone, what will be the next? What will be the answer?
Go green.
Go green. Why?
Go green. All of the reasons they have said.
Huh?
It crossed the new level. It formed a new level. It crossed the what I think.
Yes.
On the strong candle, and the bias pressure is too strong.
Okay.
And the trend is slightly upper. It will go green.
Okay. Okay, good. Good prediction. Swami, are you there? Shaukat? Shaukat Hussain?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Well, I think I will go green because there's a uptrend. There's uptrend, major uptrend, and minor uptrend also, and it's a strong green candle. There's a pressure of the buyers in behind, and there's approaching sellers area. But this may form a green candle, but should be very small green candle, like a spinning top, something like that.
Okay, next candle will be green.
Next candle, yeah, I predict this is green.
Okay,
with the points of strong uptrend, major uptrend and minor uptrend, strong candle, buyer's pressure, and crossing the level previously. There was a strong, little bit. There was level just behind this candle. So mostly this will make just a small green because of the approaching sellers area. It will cause maybe this spinning top, or kind of like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good prediction. Very good. Okay, I will tell you the reasons here. Okay, the trend is uptrend. strong candle with buying pressure. Okay. The trend is uptrend here. The second point is very strong candle, strong bullish candle. And the third point is with strong buying pressure. There is no upper wick. There is no upper rejection. It means no sellers are interested at this area. No sellers are interested at this area. Already sellers changed their entry point from here to here. Okay, sellers may enter from this level, not here, or sellers may enter from this level. Okay, there is a chance to enter sellers, but the candle is very strong candle. The next candle will be a green candle like this, or because of strong sellers, because of strong buyers, it may close like this. But the next candle will be green because of this strong buying pressure. The candle formed with strong buying pressure. And you can see here lower low, higher low, lower low. There is no higher low. You are seeing a higher high directly, and there is no lower low here. You are seeing a double bottom pattern. So it may form again a new high here. It may form again a higher high, and it will form as lower low like this. Okay, it will go up from this level. The next candle will be a green candle, not a bearish candle, because the candle is very strong candle. And here you can see a small bearish candles, and there is no upper rejection. It means no sellers are interested at this area. Sellers are here. There is a chance to enter sellers from this level, not here. Okay, I will show you the candle. Okay, the next candle is very strong candle. Can you guess the next candle here? Yes, one by one. Come on.
Yes, sir. It's the sellers area. There's a rejection of the sellers, and this level also, and the candle seem exhaust. The sellers have a strong entry from the upside. We can see from the previous levels. These rejections from the sellers, and it should be perfectly. I said it should be small candle for the rejection. But the mostly the level is telling that it will reverse. It may go. It may go. But if you're telling it's just going to higher high, this may go.
Yes.
It will go seller. Will go with sellers.
Go with
sellers.
Sellers. How can I say? The candle is very strong candle, right?
Strong level, strong sellers area, and we see the presence of rejection from the sellers from up from the candle, right from the running candle.
Okay.
So most likely in this scenario, this may come down. At least for 1 minute.
At least for 1 minute will come down. But the candle is very strong candle, right? The candle is very strong candle. These two candles are very strong candles.
Yes, but sometimes this show the exhaustion of the candle also.
Exhaustion.
It goes very strong, and there should be exhaustion of the buyers. We come down with the sellers.
This rejection.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, no problem. Okay, Gautam. Yes, Gautam, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I think as this candle goes very up with a big candle, I believe the level is not touched yet. So I think it may go up and it may make a small green candle.
Small green candle.
Right.
Okay, good. Good prediction. Okay, Harikrish.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Harikrish.
Sir, one minute, sir.
Okay.
So this is a resistance level.
Okay.
And also round number. So and trend lines is the seller's entry.
Okay.
Seller's entry.
Yes.
We have a small rejection from the sellers.
Okay.
But this is a bullish momentum, and also I think sellers entry 1 minute or 2 minute from
Okay.
from this side. I think this come down and go to up because of uptrend. I think 1 minute or 2 minute comes sellers.
Okay. Okay, good prediction. Okay, Shankar.
Hello.
Yes, Shankar.
The same is it is a strong SNR point, resistance level, and rejection from the resistance.
Okay.
That's why chances of getting smaller bearish candle for some time,
Small
1 to 2
bearish
minutes.
candle.
Again, it will cross high level because the green candles are very strong candles,
Okay.
and it is uptrend.
Okay, good prediction. Okay, it may go up, right? Or down?
It will down for just single.
It will go down.
For 1 minute, and again strong candle will come.
Like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Shokat.
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
have said already.
Shokat. Okay, no
It
problem.
may,
Jiva?
as far as it may go, it may cause a small green candle, very small green candle, and take a reversion, but it will reverse for sure.
Okay, okay, good. Good prediction. Jiva? Doji or inverted hammer? Okay, what will be the next candle? Green or red? Red candle, how can I say? Okay. Okay. Okay, good prediction. Damian?
Hello?
Yes.
Okay, I can see a round number here.
Okay.
A round number here.
Okay.
And there are several sellers entry from here, and they reverse many times from this region.
Okay.
So definitely the candle, it may be a small green candle.
Okay.
But if I want to enter the trade, I will enter above the resistance level to be on a safer side. But it may be a small green candle or a red candle.
Okay, okay. Okay, good. Harikrish? Harikrish? Sandeep Birla?
Sir, I already told this.
Okay, no problem. Sandeep Birla?
Yes, sir. Sir, according to the market situation, after this, the next candle is here once again bullish with a strong amount of buyers. But as we can see, the pressure from sellers in this candle, and there is a level, right? So
Yes.
it will try to go up, but will close in a small bullish candle because of the level and the rejection from sellers.
Good point. Okay, Gautam? Gautam? Are you there? Okay, Muhammad Abdul?
Sir, I have told the
Yes, Gautam?
Yes, sir. Sir, I have told already.
Okay, no problem. Good. Muhammad Abdul?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad.
It is a small bearish candle.
Okay, how can I say?
Previous, it is strong resistance level, and current candle shows some sellers entry, and that is why.
Okay.
It is a small bearish candle.
Small bearish candle. Okay, good. Sandeep Kumar?
Brother, the
Yes.
As per the trend, brother, as per the trend line, it will make a new high and it will form in a red candle.
Red
Maybe
candle.
spinning up or spinning up a hammer any candle. Red type.
Okay. Okay. It may go down, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, Uday Kumar.
I would not trade like at this point, but it would be a, I think it would be a small green candle. It have not reached the entry point.
Okay.
It is strong. It will be strong. It will be simple and small green candle will be, I think.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay,
It have
good.
not reached the. It would be a, I think it would be a simple green candle.
Simple green candle.
Good
Okay,
prediction.
good. Okay, good prediction. Okay, is there anyone? Swami? Swami, are there? Okay, I will explain. Just wait. Okay, if you observe the market here, if you are the market here, okay, you can see this is a round number. The market tried so many times to break this level, but again and again sellers entered. You can see very strongly the market couldn't break this level. It tried so many times. Again, the market is trying very strongly to break this level. So the candle is very strong candle. It may cross this level easily because buyers are trying very strongly. You can see a strong candle, a strong candle. It may break this level very easily because of these two strong candles. But here you need to observe one thing. Okay, I will draw a line here. Okay, this is a round number. The market is trying again. You can see some sellers entry from round number. And if you observe this point, you need to consider this point, because if there is no seller's entry point here, you can easily place here a call option. It may cross easily the level because it tried so many times and the candle is very strong candle. It may go up, but already we are seeing some sellers entry. Again, sellers changed their entry point and the next entry point is here. You can see this whole area is a seller's area. Sellers choose this point as their entry point and the level is very strong level. You can see that the market tried so many times and you are seeing a seller's entry from the seller's entry point. This is a seller's entry point and you can see a strong sellers from the seller's entry point. You can see some strong rejections. Okay, you can see a weak candle because of sellers. Okay, because of sellers you are seeing a weak bullish candle. Okay, buyers couldn't make a strong candle because of sellers. Because of sellers you are seeing a rejection. Okay, when market crossed this level, sellers entered. Again, when market crossed this level, sellers may enter. There is a chance to enter. Already we are seeing a confirmation here. Sellers entry, sellers changed their entry point and the level is a strong level. From the same level we are seeing a rejection. So there is a chance to go down or there is a chance to form a small bullish candle. But I think there is no chance to form a bullish candle because of this seller's entry point. Sellers changed their entry point from here to here. Again, we are seeing a seller's entry point. At the same level, sellers may enter. You can see there are two resistance points. Okay, the one is this one. This is a resistance. This is also a resistance. The round number, the rejection, and the seller's entry point. So many reasons are there to place a put option. It may go up because of sellers, because of strong buyers. It may go up, but it will be rejected from the level because of this level. You have so many reasons here to enter to go with sellers, but you have only one reason to go with buyers is a strong candle. Okay, you have two reasons, not one reason, the trend and the strong candle. Okay, you have two reasons to place a call option, but you have so many reasons here to place a put option. The reason is rejection, seller's entry point, and the round number. Okay, this is a resistance level. Okay, you have four reasons. This is a resistance, this is also a resistance. Resistance plus seller's entry point and a rejection. Okay, you have so many reasons to place a put option. You have only two reasons to place a call option. It's better to go with sellers. Okay, there are 70% of chances or 80% of chances to win. If you go with sellers, if you go with buyers, there are 20% of chances to win because of this strong candle. Yeah, there is a gap, but you are seeing a level, exact level. The candle closed exactly at the level. At the same level, you are seeing a rejection from sellers at the seller's entry point as well as from the round number. Okay, this is also a level. At the resistance level, you are seeing a seller's entry. At the round number 2, you are seeing seller's entry. At the seller's entry point, this is a seller's entry point. At the same seller's entry point, again seller's entry. You are seeing a seller's entry. It's better to go with sellers instead of buyers because there are so many reasons to place a put option. Okay, you need to observe the seller's entry point too. You need to observe everything. Already I told you. The another reason is I already told you when market breaks the seller's entry point, what happens? Sellers may enter. There is a chance to enter sellers. This is also one reason. To identify the next seller's entry point, always draw a trend line. Most of the time when market breaks the previous entry point, sellers may enter. There is a chance to enter sellers. But if you draw a trend line, it will be clear to go with sellers. Okay, the next candle will be a green candle. No, the next candle will be a red candle most of the time. Sometimes you can find a bullish candle. There is a chance to form a bullish candle like this also because of these two strong candles. But the more reasons, there are more possibilities to form a bearish candle, not a bullish candle. So it's better to go with sellers instead of buyers. Okay, I will show you. Okay, this is a strong candle, not a weak candle. Okay, can you guess what will be the next candle here? Yes, Shankar?
Bearish.
Bearish, how can I say?
Wait. After this candle, it will go up, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, after this candle,
Okay.
I think it will go up. That bullish candle will form.
Okay.
Because strong rejection from the downward.
Okay.
That's my point. And it is minor uptrend.
Minor uptrend.
Minor uptrend.
Okay.
And that candle is very less than that previous one.
Okay. Bullish engulfing. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, next. Oh, yes.
Next. I think this one is.
I think. Yes.
I think
this candle will be
bullish
candle.
candle.
Okay, bullish candle. Yeah, because of this rejection, right? Because of this rejection and because of this trend, right?
Yes, sir. Minor uptrend.
Minor uptrend.
Entry of the buyers and strong buyers area.
Strong buyers area.
Yes, just below the candle.
This one?
Strong buyers area. No, sir. No, sir.
Which one is strong buyers area? Where?
just the running candle. Below this, these are strong candles.
Okay.
And you see in the parallel, the candles are very strong and big volume candles.
Okay,
So
strong
mostly
bullish momentum.
Yes, bullish momentum.
Bullish momentum, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next candle will be green, right? Harikrish?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Harikrish.
Sir, first is this is a major and minor is uptrend,
Okay.
and also strong bullish momentum, and also we are a small support area, and also small rejection. There are 4 reasons to call, and also seller point is a engulfing pattern.
Okay.
It is an engulfing pattern, and also this is a resistance levels are here. There are 2 reasons to entry sellers, the 4 reasons to enter callers. So I go to the more possibilities. I took a call.
Okay, good prediction. Okay, nice. Hey, Collins. Collins, are you there?
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Collins, tell me.
I think I won't be able to do that.
Yes.
I won't be able to do it.
I can't get you.
So I can't predict that the next hand is there.
I'm not hearing your voice clearly.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Okay, no problem. Yeah, okay, yes.
Okay. I said I can't predict the next hand, so I won't to.
Okay. Okay, good. Damian?
Hello?
Yes, Damian.
Oh, I will go with a green candle because the red candle closed exactly at this level. It rejected from this level. This level. This was former resistance. Now I believe it returned to support, and there was a rejection from the candle. And the green candle was also engulfing engulfing the red candle.
Okay.
Yes. Probably I will go if the candle will come down up to this end.
Okay.
Maybe I will put a call here. The candle I will go with call.
Go with call.
Yes.
Okay, good. Good prediction. Gautam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Gautam.
Sir, I think I will go with the call.
Why?
Because the only point to put to go with sellers is because it comes from the sellers area.
Very strong candle.
Yeah, it's a strong candle. And another thing is that why I will go with the call, because the trend is also uptrend, and you can see there is a rejection from the bottom of the candle.
Okay. Okay, rejection.
Yeah, rejection.
Okay.
From the buyers.
Okay. Uptrend.
And yeah.
Engulfing.
Yeah, engulfing also, but they both are a bit
bullish momentum.
Similar. Yeah.
Right.
Yes, sir. Because
okay,
of
good.
this three, yeah.
Okay, good. Sandeep Birla.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this time, as we trade in the live market, I would like to wait for this next candle, and I'm not going to trade the next candle because of the lots of confusion. As we can see, the trade level is here, and also the rejection from buyers. With the 1 second, let me draw with annotation.
Okay.
Everybody is saying this is the rejection from buyers, and there is the level, right? Both the things.
Yes.
Same thing we can see here, two strong buyers candles, and one same scenario is happening here once again. Like So we can see the buyer's candle once again here.
Okay.
And in this condition, we also can see the seller's candle. This is the strong candle, and with the seller rejection from below. But once again, buyer's candle. Everybody is trying. I think I just wanted to show this known situation. I can guess. So definitely, we can go with the buyers once again. Because of this uptrend and level and rejection from below, so many points are there.
Okay, good prediction.
Next will be green.
Okay.
Definitely will be green.
Okay, good. Okay, Sandeep Kumar.
Whether I will go with there's a buying position.
Buyers rejection.
Buyer prediction
only for buyer's rejection. Only for that reason you can place call option. Is there any reasons?
And there is the support zone also.
Support zone, okay, and okay, how can you place call option with two reasons? What?
Brother, the minor trend, major trend uptrend ఉన్నాయి.
Okay.
మళ్ళీ మన ఆ రీసెంట్ కాల్ దగ్గర మనకు బయర్స్ రిజెక్షన్ బయర్స్ ప్రెజర్ కూడా ఉంది. I will go with call.
Okay, good. Shaukat?
Yes, sir. The next candle will be green candle.
Okay.
Because there's a rejection from this buyers, and also there's a minor and uptrend and a major uptrend also, and this is a buyers area rejected from the buyers. So I will go with the buyers, and most likely the volume of the candle previously is very high. So one candle that is not also not engulfing cannot turn the market down. At least the market will go up for 1 minute at least.
Okay, good.
So I'm a little confused, but I think it is like a pierce pin bar. It would go red. I think I will not trade at this level, but I think it would be a simple single red candle.
Okay, good prediction.
I think it's pierce pin bar the resistance level.
Okay.
It would go red. I see some sellers there.
Okay, good. Good prediction. Yeah, actually the candle is very strong candle. This is not a weak candle, but because of this rejection, it became weak because of this rejection from buyers, because the candle has a rejection from buyers. Okay, it means there is a chance to enter buyers from this level. The trend is uptrend and a strong bullish momentum. Okay, and from this level, okay, there are some buyers here, right? No sellers here. You can see the lower wick here. There is no lower wick. It means no sellers are interested at this area. Buyers entered very strongly from this level. From the same level, you are seeing a rejection. At the level, there is a level here. You need to consider this point also. The candle is very strong candle, but the candle has a rejection from buyers. Previous candles are very strong candles. No sellers are interested. This is a engulfing type, and the trend is uptrend. You can see the small trend also a uptrend. Okay, you have more reasons to place a call option. Okay, you have only one reason to place a put option is a strong candle, a strong bearish candle. You have only one reason. I think there is no other reason to place here a put option. Okay, you have only one reason, the strong candle. There is no other reason, I think. So the next candle will go up because already we are seeing a buyer's entry in this candle, and this is a level. And in the previous candle, you can observe there is no lower wick. Here also In this candle also there is no upper wick. It means at this area no buyers are no sellers are interested. Okay, this is a buyer's area. No buyers are interested at this level. The next candle will go up. There is a chance to go up from this level. At least for 1 minute it will go up. Okay, this is very strong candle. Okay, can you guess what will be the next candle here? Okay, this is very strong candle. And there is a level here. Okay, I will draw the level. Okay, I will draw one level here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Okay, there is a level. This is a row number 2. Okay, can you guess what will be the next candle here? Yes. One by one. Damian?
Hello?
Yes.
For now, I will stay out of the market because I don't know if it is a fake breakout or not.
Okay.
So I will watch the next candle. Depending on what happened on the next candle, then I will trade. So I don't know if it's a fake breakout of the round number, and I don't know if it's a fake breakout of this because there was a lot of buyers in this area.
Okay.
So I don't know if it's a fake breakout. Maybe I will stay out of the market, and after the next candle, then I will trade.
Okay. Okay. Good. Very good. What will be the answer? The red or green?
Oh, I can't. Let me see.
If you want to place here your trade.
Okay. If the need comes to me to place a trade, I will make a call because the round number have been broken. The round number have been broken. Okay. So
okay.
I will put a call if the candle can come down to the round number and reject. If you get back to the round number and reject, I will put a call.
Okay, good. Harikrish?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So my prediction is first is uptrend and good bullish momentum.
Mm-hmm.
And also this is a strong bias area.
Mm-hmm.
There are 3 reasons to buy.
Mm-hmm.
And seller's point is the very good, the strong SNR level here, resistance level.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a strong candle. Also, you said this like the sign of reversal.
Mm-hmm.
And my prediction is sellers only get a point only 2.
Okay.
Next candle will be bullish. Bullish like a very small bullish candle, sir.
Okay.
Next candle will be green, very small, I think.
Okay, good prediction. Okay, next Gautam.
Yes, sir. So I think if you see the market since the last 3 minutes, we can see that the buyers are very much active.
Mm-hmm.
And even this resistance area is also a strong one.
Okay.
I think I will go with buyers.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think buyer can break this resistance level.
Okay, why do you want to go with buyers? Is there any specific reason?
Sir, because of the strong, since the candles which we can see, even the sellers were there. Here we can see the sellers also, but the sellers, the buyers were so strong that it just made a new high.
Mm. Okay.
So I think at this point of time, the buyers are quite strong. So I will go with the buyers, and the trend is also up.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Shankar?
Yes, sir. Sir, I will also go with buyers because it's a major and minor uptrend, plus it's a strong bullish candle, plus one more, it's a Moroji candle. Then it will.
Can you speak loudly?
Strong and minor uptrend.
Okay.
Then it's a strong bullish candle.
Okay.
Plus it is a Moroboju candle, means continuation of the uptrend.
Okay.
This much.
That's it.
Strong buyers momentum. That is
Okay.
no small green candles are there. That's strong. Yes, sir. This much.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good prediction. Okay, Jiva. Okay. That's it. There is no other reason. Okay. You need to analyze the market very well, and you need to go with possibilities. You need to analyze more possibilities. You need to get more possibilities to predict the next candle. You can't place your trade with only 1 and 2 reasons. You need to analyze everything. Okay. Okay, no problem. Uday Kumar. Uday Kumar, are there? Shaukat?
I think it would go green.
Sir,
Only
I
one
will go
point.
with
I think.
Okay.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Uday Kumar.
It's Marbosa candle. I think it will make a reverse. That's only one point to put. I will go call it cross the level.
Okay.
It would go green.
Okay. Okay, good.
Only one chance to get red. It is a Marbosa candle.
Only one
Sir, I
reason.
will.
One reason.
Okay. Okay, good. Good prediction. Shaukat?
Yes, sir. There's a. I will go for with sellers here.
Why?
There's a Marbosa candle, strong Marbosa candle. This is sign of reversal, and
Okay.
there's a also level over there,
Okay.
and third is there's this. Yeah, this is 2 points just to trade over there for with sellers.
Okay.
With the buyers, we can go with the strong uptrend volume of the candle. But I think the Marbosa candle is the 70% is followed by the opposite color candle. We can say it's a kind of pattern
Okay.
that we have to follow mostly. I will go with sellers.
To
At least for
place
one.
call option, how many possibilities are there?
Well, there's uptrend, a major uptrend, a minor uptrend, strong volume of the candle, make a not a new high, but at least it's just like a same level of the high. It's crossed just a level of the round numbers and the level of previous seller's candle. So it's all favors to the bias stuff, but the main thing is the pattern. Marbosa candle is mostly followed with the red candle most of the time because this is exhausted candle. It shows the signs that the buyers are now exhausted. At least they will reverse for the 1 minute and go green again.
Okay, very good. Good prediction. Okay, Muhammad.
Yes,
Muhammad
sir.
Abdul. Yes.
Yes, sir. It is maybe a green candle.
How can I say?
First reason is minor and a major uptrend.
Okay.
Second, a strong Marbosa bullish candle.
Okay.
Third, already broken a strong resistance level.
Okay.
And previous candle shows some buyer.
Okay.
That is
good.
why.
Good prediction.
Go.
Okay, Sandeep Billa.
Yes, sir. Sir, as we can see, after so many attempts by the buyers, previously we can see after so many attempts, this strong buyer's candle has broken the level, finally broken the level, as we can see. And if we analyze the market, we find so many points to go with the buyers once again because of this strong candle and levels. And as you can see, the trend line has a level is also broken by the candle. But the strong point will be a Marubozu candle because it will reverse the market at least for 1 minute.
Okay.
According to the situation, if we go through the pattern only, so this pattern will be only reason to reverse the market for at least for 1 minute.
Okay.
But if we'll analyze the market and find so many reasons, so it will be a bullish candle once again. But
Okay.
I will prefer to choose sellers once again because of this Marubozu candle, and it reverses the market at least for 1 minute. So my prediction will be for seller.
Sellers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good option. Okay, Sandeep Kumar. Sandeep Kumar, are you there?
Brother.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Wait.
Speak in English.
Wait.
Okay, no problem. Okay, I will explain. Yes,
hello,
Sandeep.
Brother. Actually, yes. This is a trend, is major trend and minor trend, and it breaks. I think it is a Marubozu candle, and there is no rejection from upside. I think there is no sellers area. But I will wait for. I see 5 seconds in time frame. There is, if I get any rejection, I will place a put option. Otherwise, I will leave the call. I leave the trade.
Okay. What is your answer? Call option or put option?
Maybe put option.
Put option. Okay, very good prediction. Okay, I will explain here. Okay, everyone listen carefully. Okay, 50% of the people said the next candle will go up. 50% of the people will said the next candle will go down. Okay, just wait. Okay, but you said some possibilities. You explained. You analyzed the market. You said some possibilities. Okay, there are 6 possibilities to place call option. There is only 2 possibilities to place put option. Okay, it may go down. There is a chance, but always go with more possibilities. I already told you this point. Always go with more possibilities. Okay, you all these possibilities said by, I think, Shaukat, right? Shaukat said these 5 reasons, the rejection also 6 reasons to place to go with buyers. You have only 2 reasons, the level and the Marubozu candle. Only 2 reasons to place a put option. You have so many reasons to place a call option. The candle broke this level. Okay, the candle broke this level and this level also. The row number kuda. These 2 options, the strong candle, the trend and the bullish momentum, and the strong candle, there is no upper rejection. So everything, if you predict the next candle will be a bullish candle, not a bearish candle, because of these reasons. Only because of these reasons. There is no other reason. Okay, I'm not predicting, I'm not analyzing the market here. I'm going with your reasons. You said 6 reasons to place call option. You said only 2 reasons to place put option. Okay, if I want to place here my trade, I will go with 6 reasons instead of 2 reasons. Always go with more possibilities. If you go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win your trades. Always go with more possibilities. Shaukat knows these 6 reasons, but Shaukat wanted to go with only sellers with 2 reasons only. He knows every reason, but he wanted to go with only sellers. I don't know what is the reason. Shaukat, always go with more reasons. Don't go with less reasons. Always go with more possibilities. Okay.
Right, sir. It was a popular phenomenon of reversal of candle after the Marubozu. For that, I was liking to go.
Right. You have only 2 reasons, right?
Yes, sir.
You have only 2 reasons. How can you go with 2 reasons?
Sir, there's some myths about the patterns. They are called some sure shot patterns. So sometimes they follow
this is not sure shot pattern. I already told you, this is not shoot shot pattern. This is also a strong candle. It didn't reverse. This is also a strong candle. It didn't reverse. This is also a strong candle. It didn't reverse, right? Got it?
Right, sir.
Okay, always go with more possibilities. If you go with more possibilities, even this is a shoot shot, it will give you winning trade. Okay, if you go with more possibilities. Okay,
Right,
always go with more possibilities. Actually, I didn't analyze anything, but I am going with your reasons. If you go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win. Always analyze the market like this. Okay, you can see next candle is a bullish candle, but very small bullish candle. Okay, can you guess what will be the next candle here? Shakat?
Yes, sir.
Can you guess what will be the next candle here? Okay, we'll draw.
It will be the
Yes.
it will be the green candle again because a strong volume of buyers.
Okay.
This small level that has been crossed already cannot stop the volume of the buyers.
Okay.
The upper trend, major trend is uptrend, and minor trend is also an uptrend. And so I will go with the buyers again.
Buyers.
For the sellers, we have only one reason. There's one level, and there's some small rejection from the upper side. This may pick some sellers are there, but mostly I will go with the buyers. Small rejection. There's some level. This is for only two reasons. For the yes.
Level, small weak candle.
Yes, weak candle, sir.
Weak bullish candle and reversal candlestick. Okay, this is a reversal sign, right? Okay, 4 reasons. Okay, to place call option, how many reasons are there?
We have major and minor uptrend.
Okay.
One reason. Second, there's a strong volume.
Okay.
And third, that the level has been crossed.
Okay. It didn't break this level, right?
Yeah.
I think it didn't break this level.
Yes, there's no sign of strong sellers entry.
Yes. But there are no buyers. No buyers are interested, or very few buyers are interested, right?
Right, sir.
Yes. But still,
Yes,
buyers are
it said make a new high, sir.
Okay.
Buyers have make new high. So we have 4 for the sellers, 4 for the buyers. I will go with the buyers due to strong volume.
Strong volume. Okay, only one strong volume trend and
strong volume, major minor trends, sir, and a new high, making a new high of the buyers.
Okay.
And
that's it.
It's making also, sir, new. These 3 reasons, yeah. Yeah,
3 reasons. Okay, good. Okay, 4 reasons here. Okay, is there anyone? Gautam?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Gautam.
Sir, for me, the main reason is I will make a put because I will, as we can see that the candle was not able to cross the level, and we can see the rejection is also there, and this pattern is a kind of reversal. I don't know the name. I think it's a shooting star or maybe.
Okay, spinning top.
Yeah, spinning top.
Okay.
And even the trend is not so much strong because we can see 3 sellers selling candle also there.
Okay.
So I will go with this put option because the resistance level is not broken. We can see the upper wick is still there.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay, Sandeep Billa.
Yeah. So actually, it's all good in practice account, but if I will trade in real, I will avoid this situation. Lots of confusion. So, but after that, I will try to explain this. Because our group members are going to face a situation with the live market, as I know that, because we already faced the situation in live market with this candle and with these levels and all. We try to explain and observe everything, but sometimes market doesn't follow our the strategies, and so we may fail sometimes in real one.
Okay.
So, but I will try to explain this right now. As we can see, level this doesn't break by this green candle, and we can see the seller's pressure in this candle. So it definitely will be a red candle once again. Sellers will get the entry because of this level, and also we can see the pressure of sellers entry in this candle.
Okay. Okay, that's it.
Yeah, sir. That's it.
Okay, very good. Uday Kumar.
I think it would be go green. It is spinning top with continuation of the trend.
Okay.
I think it will break the level because of the strong candle, nearby candle.
It may go up, right?
It may go.
Okay, very good. Okay, is there anyone, Jiva? Okay. Okay. Okay, very good. Harkrish.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I go with sellers because this is a strong resistant area. And also the reversal candlesticks is a bullish candlestick, but the reversal candlesticks are the strong resistant area.
Okay.
And also the bias is overbought because these strong candles bias are active on the 100%, but the compared to this candle very small. The reason is resistance. I think go with sellers, sir.
Go with sellers.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is there anyone?
Yes, sir, that is my name.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it is put. That is why a small reversal candle and resistance not broken, and some seller shows these small weak candles. That is why it is put.
Shankar.
Yes, sir. It's a rejection from the resistance level, and a very small candle is there. That's why I think small candle, bearish candle will be formed, I think, because less buyers and the weak candle. That's why a small bearish candle will be formed, I think.
Okay, very good. Okay, Sandeep Kumar.
Hello?
Yes.
Brother, the major and minor trend is uptrend, and it forms a spinning top at in resistance level. This is a sign of reversal for 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay.
And I will go with put option.
Put option. Okay, very good. Okay, I will explain here. Okay, Shokat explained some reasons, 3 reasons, 5 reasons, always go. Okay, just wait now.
Yes, sir. Now it's fine.
Okay, I will explain here. Shokat explained some reasons to place call option, to place put option. Okay, we have 5 reasons to place put option. We have only 3 reasons to place call option. It's better to go with more possibilities. It's very simple. You know everything, but you are confusing. That's it. This is a reversal sign. Very weak candle because of this level. The candle couldn't break this level. The candle couldn't break this level, and this is a sign of reversal. And at this level, you are seeing a strong seller's entry. The candle formed at the level. This is also a level. Okay, this is a level. You are seeing a reversal sign very weak candle, it means very few buyers are interested. Okay, very few buyers are interested at the seller's area. It means sellers may enter because no buyers are there, or very few buyers are there. So automatically the sellers will enter because the area is a seller's area. You can see the seller's entry. The market hold the buyers here. The buyers made a new strong candle. The buyers made a strong candle, but they couldn't make a strong candle because of sellers, or no buyers are there. No buyers are interested at this area. So if there are no buyers, what will happen? Who will enter? Sellers will enter because you are seeing some sellers at this area. Sellers may enter. This is a sign of reversal. The sellers may enter because this is very weak candle. You have so many reasons to place a put option. You have 3 reasons to place call option. Okay. The first reason is trend. The second reason is bullish candle. Okay, I think 2 reasons. This is not a strong momentum. Previous candle is very strong candle, but the present candle is very weak candle. It means no buyers are interested, or very few buyers are interested at this area, at the seller's area. At the seller's area, no buyers are interested. It means sellers will enter. Okay, always go with more possibilities. Don't. Okay, always go with more possibilities. The next candle, you are seeing a red candle, not a bullish candle. Okay. Can you predict the next candle? I'm going to stop today's session. Okay, if you predict the next candle, I think you all know the good reasons to place your trade, but you are confusing, I think. So Shokat, you have so much knowledge, but I don't know why you are choosing the less reasons to place your trade. Shokat, are you there?
I will try to follow you, sir.
Okay, I'm connecting this session because only one thing, the main thing is you need to follow. I want to tell you one thing, you need to follow the more reasons, more possibilities. If you go with more possibilities, if you have 6 possibilities to place put option, if you have 4 possibilities to place call option, always go with more possibilities. If you go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win. Okay, if you go with less possibilities, there are less possibilities to win. So it's better to go with more possibilities always. Shokat, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, always go with more possibility. Even you may lose. I think you will get 99% winning ratio if you go with more possibilities. There is no chance to lose. Sometimes you may lose. You don't need to worry about it. Okay. If your prediction is good, even if your prediction is good, you may lose. If you lose, no need to worry about it. Okay, it's not your mistake. It's about the market situation. It's not your mistakes if you predict well. If you lose, even if you predict well, it's not your mistakes. No need to worry about it. Okay, can you guess what will be the next candle here? Shaukat?
Yes, sir. Sir, there's a pressure from the sellers. This is a spinning top type of a candle for the sellers. And there's a seller's area. And so I will go with the sellers, sir. Here.
Okay, tell me again.
Sir, level. First thing is level. Second thing is seller's area.
Okay.
And third thing is reversal candle.
Okay.
And these are 3 reasons for putting out there. For the buyers, we can go with the trend, major and minor upper trend, uptrend. And there's a strong pressure from the below from the buyers.
Okay.
And
yeah, if you want to add rejection from buyers, you need to add here also one reason, rejection from sellers, right?
Sellers, yeah.
Yes.
So
next. Okay,
There is a
That's it.
yeah.
Yes. Okay, what will be your answer?
Sir, I will go with sellers this time.
Okay, very good. Okay, Gautam.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I will go with sellers because because we can see that the resistance level is not broken, and this red candle is also something which has engulfed the past candle, the last one, and the engulfing pattern at the resistance level may sometimes it works very well.
Okay.
And the trend, there is no trend of bullish. The bullish trend is over. So I will go with the sellers.
Okay, very good. Sandeep Birla.
Yes, sir. So as we can see, previously so many candles are trying to break the level, but it couldn't break by them. And this red candle is coming from the strong sellers entry, right?
Yes.
With a strong selling pressure from above. And as Gautam Bhai said, this is also engulfing pattern. We can see the amount of sellers as compared to the previous buyers candle that was weak, and this one is bigger than the previous one, so it will be a engulfing one. And so we would like to go with the sellers once again.
Okay, very good. Damian.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. For me, I will go with buyers.
Why?
Because we have the minor uptrend is the minor trend is uptrend.
Okay.
And the candle was not able to break the round number. It rejected strongly from the round number.
Okay.
And it is a weak. It's a spinning top, which a kind of reversal or continuation candle. So because of the bullish momentum on the Marubozu candle, and because of the candle was not able to break the round number, I will go with the buyers. It will go up.
Yes. Okay, very good. Fine. Okay, good. Jiva. Yes. Okay. Okay. What will be your answer? Green candle. Okay, very good. Okay, Muhammad Abdul.
So can you clear the screen? I'm not able to see that.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Muhammad Abdul. Yes, Muhammad Abdul.
Yes, sir. Sir, kindly you draw two resistance line.
Here?
Yeah, yes. Two resistance line to draw.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here also, right? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is maybe go put. I go with sellers.
Why?
First reason is it is seller area and seller rejection, and previous candle is shows some sellers.
Okay.
And
no.
Yes, sir. That's why I will go with it.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay, Sandeep Kumar.
It forms a red color swing top at resistance level. It didn't sustain above the resistance level. I think, but it makes a new high. But the candle is a weak candle.
Okay.
Maybe I will go with put option.
Put option?
Yeah. For 1 minute, at least.
Okay. Uday Kumar?
I go with the major members. It will be put option.
A very good option. Okay, is there anyone? Sandeep Pilla, I think.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Sir, Hari Krish.
Yes. Yes, Harikish.
Sir, I'm going seller, sir, because there is strong resistance area.
I just say my point.
And also the engulfing pattern, very small engulfing, but it will be considered. The sellers enter more compared to the last bullish candle. And also, I think the trend line be like, sorry, sir, I cannot draw, but trend line be like the sellers enter of the trend. Sellers enter the third point trend. It go more down.
Okay.
This is also rejection on here. This is a 4th point go with sellers, and the buyers the only one trend, and the second is rejection, and third level is SNR. Only third 3.2 go with buyers, sir. I choose a sell. The next candidate will go with sellers, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, Sandeep Pilla.
Yeah, I already said that. I already said that.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, no need to worry about this. You don't need to explain anything. So there are more reasons to place put option. This is very simple answer. No need to go with buyers because you have only 3 reasons to place call option. You have so many reasons to place put option. It's better to go with sell. It's very simple. You are telling so many reasons to place put option, but you are choosing call option. I don't know why. I don't know what is the reason. Okay, don't go with less possibilities. Always go with more possibilities. If you go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win. I am telling you this point again and again because you are forgetting this point always. You are telling so many reasons. You are telling so many possibilities to place put option, but you are choosing call option. I don't know why. Okay, always go with more possibilities. You will get some good winning ratio if you go with more possibility. You are analyzing very well, but you are not choosing right option. If you choose right option, there are more chances to win your trades. Okay, I'm also going with more possibilities. The next candle will be, yes, this is a red candle again. Okay, always go with more possibilities. No need to think anything. Okay, put your place your trades blindly. If you have more possibilities, go with, if you have just wait. Okay, if you get 6 possibilities to place call option, if you get only 3 reasons to place put option, blindly go with call, blindly go with buyers. It will give you 99% winning ratio. Okay, sometimes you may lose. It's very common. It's not your mistake. It depends upon the market situation. You may lose because of market situation. It's not your mistake. No need to think like this. Always think like this. That is not your mistake. That is market mistake. If you lose, always think like this. If you go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win your trades. Okay, if you want to predict next candle, always go with more possibilities. If you go with more possibility, I'm again saying, if you go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win your trade. You can go with more possibilities blindly. You can trust more possibilities. Okay. Again, I'm saying, go with more possibilities. If you go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win. You are analyzing very well, but you are not choosing right option. Always choose right option to win your trades. All the best. Okay, today is last session. Okay, I think you all have some good knowledge, but you are confusing to choose right option. Always go with more possibilities. If you go with more possibilities, there are more chances to win your trades. All the best.
Sir,
if you have
sorry,
yes.
sir. Sir, I was expecting something about money management and market timing.
Money management, right? Okay. Okay. I think money management is very simple. Okay, I will explain here in 10 minutes. Okay, if you have $100 in your account, always invest 2 or 3% per trade, or $2 or $3 per trade. Okay, if you invest very less amount like this, if you lose your trade, you don't worry. If you lose your trades, you don't worry, because you are investing very small amount. This is not a big amount, so you can easily place your trade on the next candle very easily without worrying about losses. You can easily invest your money on the next candle because you are investing very small money. Okay, always use 2% or 3% per trade. Always target only 10% daily target. Always.
Sir, do you favor compounding?
Yes, you can use compound. If you have more than 80% or more than 70% winning ratio, you can do 2 compounds, not more than that. If you have more than 80% win ratio, you can do 3 compounds. If you have less than more than 70% or 70% or more than 70%, you can use only 2 compounds. It's better to use 2 compounds.
Sir, do you favor martingale?
No. If you want to use martingale, if you use martingale in 10 trades, you will lose all your capital within 10 trades. Even if you have 10,000 in your account, you will lose all money in 10 trades, right? I don't recommend you to trade martingale. Okay, always use small amount per trade. If you invest small amount, it won't bother you, even if you lose.
Sir, what's the best time to trade with US or London overlap?
There is
and besides, we know this already. What time you recommend than this?
I don't recommend any time. I recommend you can trade any time on any market if you have some good knowledge. To get that type of experience,
sir, can we apply this kind of knowledge that we have got from you on the same handle of the 5 minutes and 10 minutes and 15 or 1 hour? The same rules will be applied over there?
Same rules. You can use the same rules. You can analyze the market on 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 year candlestick also.
Sir, can we follow these rules in Forex?
Forex also, right.
Can you apply over there?
Yes. You can
for
use
the scalping or swing trading, day trading, what you will recommend over there?
You can use this candlestick psychology on any day trading also, Forex also, binary options also. You can use this strategy. There is no.
So what's the best platform to trade? Is IQ option? Besides IQ option,
I think IQ option. Okay, IQ option is best.
Do you believe, sir, is there some manipulation from the brokers or something like that? We heard many things.
Yes, they will manipulate, but not in candles. They will manipulate like this. Okay, if you place here a put option, okay, the market will close like this. Okay, above your entry point. Sometimes, not every time. Sometimes every broker will do this. Okay, I will explain one thing here. Okay, if you place here a put option, okay, if you place here put option with $1,000, okay, it's $1,000. If someone place here call option, okay, here call option with $500, okay, the candle will close above this point, not below this point.
Sir, I've heard that they can manipulate in small time frame.
Yes.
But if you take a trade with a long expiry, definitely it's very hard for them to manipulate.
Yes, yes. They will manipulate only with some pints, not on candles. They can't make.
Can we do, sir, binary option trading on day frame chart or weekly chart?
Yes, you can do. You can do. It's not a problem. Okay, always use a small amount. If you invest small amount, it will not bother you even if you lose. we can invest
when
without any
the
fear.
trading, when we are, how much trades we consecutively get wrong, after that we should stop the trading. How much numbers you recommend?
Okay, I will explain. Only invest 2 or 3% per trade. Target 10% daily target. Target only 10%. Okay, it is very easy target. Everyone can achieve this target if you make easy targets. It's very easy to achieve, right? And always place 5 to 10 trades per day. Only 5 to 10 trades to reach this daily target. If you reach your daily target in 6 trades, stop it and try tomorrow. Don't even trade on demo account. No need to trade on demo account. No need to practice on demo account. If you want to trade on real account, no need to practice anymore. Okay, only 5 to 10 trades. If you get 2 losses, stop it. At least for 1 hour or 2 hours, stop trading. If you follow these rules, you will be in profit. Okay, there is only one thing, the money management. If you follow money management, always you will be in profit. Okay, if you follow money management, always you will be profit. Okay, the main thing is money management, not about knowledge, not about experience, not about practice. The only main thing is money management. If you follow money management, you will be in profit every time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if
you have some stuff for the sharing with us, some videos, anything, and being this is the last lecture, we are very thankful to you that
okay, no need to worry. Practice always. If you get any questions, you can contact me anytime. I will support
previously
you.
I was just in contact with someone on Telegram. After 1 or 2 weeks, he just deleted that account and was just disappeared.
Which one?
No, I will not tell the name, but I think it will not happen.
Video name? Video? Are you telling about video?
No. Telegram, just Telegram. I was expecting that you will be available in the future or any queries or something.
Yes, I will be available. No need to worry.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I will give you support in the future also. No need to worry about this. Okay, if you get any questions, you can contact me anytime. I will give you support, everyone.
You are very nice, sir, and we are really thankful to you, sir.
Okay, welcome.
God bless you.
All the best. And practice very well before going to trade on real account. First practice on demo account, everything. Yes, Mohammed.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Mohammed.
I have 2 questions.
Yes.
Have you personal strategy? Question 1.
Personal strategy. I didn't get you. Yes. I didn't get you, Muhammad Abdul.
Yes, sir. Have a personal strategy already used?
I don't know what he's telling.
So he's asking about his personal strategy.
This one?
No need.
This one? Yes,
personal strategy.
Okay.
Direct
okay.
Actually, he is trying to know that you're using any other strategy, personal strategy apart from this analysis.
No. I'm using only this strategy. This is price action strategy. Okay. This is pure price
okay,
action.
sir. Okay, sir.
There is no best strategy than price action. Okay. This is king of any strategy. Price action is king of any strategy.
Okay, sir. The maximum we are whose PRs you recommend.
Okay, no problem. Practice well. Don't trade on real account directly. First practice on demo account. If you get some good winning ratio, if you have some confidence on your trades, you can go with real account directly. Until don't trade on real account. I don't recommend you to trade real account. Even if you get 2 months or 3 months for practicing, spend some time. Okay, don't go immediately on real account. first build some confidence on your trades. If you have confidence, you can trade on real account. Always invest small amount like this. Only if you have $100, always invest $2 or $3. Okay, as a newbie, always invest small amount. If you invest small amount, even if you lost, it won't bother you. And always target target small. Okay, always target 10% like 15% like this. Okay, if you target like this is actually very easy target. 10% is very easy target. Even we can achieve the 10% daily target. It's very easy target. If you make easy targets, it will be very easy to achieve. Okay, if you get any questions, you can ask me anytime. I will available for you on Telegram and Facebook.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I will contact. Sir, another question is, what time is perfect for trading?
You can trade on any time, any market. If you have some knowledge, if you have some good experience, you can trade on any market. I don't recommend you to trade on particular time. Okay, always as a newbies, always choose one good market like this. You can see very strong candles. Okay, very strong candles and very confirmation candles, reversal candles, trend continuous candles. Always choose this type of market. If you choose this type of market, you can guess easily, but you can't trade this type of market. You can see the market is not good here. You can't trade here. Always avoid bad market. Always choose good market. If you have some good experience, you can trade on this type of market too. It's not a problem. But
so I have learned from some people, if there's some more profit, take out profit like 92, 95%. It's very dangerous to trade with this.
Don't trade if you see 95% profit. Don't trade. Always choose 80%, 85% like this. Okay. Below.
Sir, have you tried expert option? Expert option. There's a trading platform, Olympus.
Yes, I didn't trade, but I think I don't recommend expert option because some people is filing some complaints about expert option because they are facing some withdrawal problem from them. Okay, IQ option is best. I think I didn't get any withdrawal problem from them. Okay, they will send anytime. Okay, within 1 hour you will get your withdrawal, all your withdrawals.
No 1 hour.
Yes.
I ever get withdrawal on 24 hours or something like that.
I think you are not having VIP account, right?
I have VIP, sir.
VIP. I am also VIP. If you do, if you withdrawing your money regularly, you will get in 1 hour or 2 hours.
Right, sir. I will discuss it in Telegram.
Okay. All the best, everyone. If you have any questions, you can ask me anytime. I will be available for you. I will give you support in the future also. All the best. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Sir.
Okay. If you have any personal question, ask me on Telegram, Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
If
Please.
you have any doubts on this topic, you can ask me here.
Please, you open your video.
Which video?
Which video? Your face.
Sir, one request, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if you have some videos, private videos or something, can we share us, sir?
Yes, I will share you. Don't worry.
Sir, thank you, sir. So you are so nice, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, all the best. All the best. Practice will before going to trade on real account. First practice on demo account first. Build some confidence on your trades. If you have some good confidence, you can trade on real account. Okay, always target. Always makes easy targets. Always invest small amounts. Okay, don't invest too much amount. Okay, don't be greedy. Always choose some small amounts. Always get some small profits, not a big profits. Don't target big profits. Okay, all the best, everyone. Bye. Good night.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye. Good night. If you have any questions, you can ask me anytime. Bye, everyone. Good night. All the best.
Good night. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night. Bye.